So the Philips Fidelio X2HRs are the updated version of the Philips Fidelio X2s, and they go for about $350. These are over-the-ear open back headphones with 50mm dynamic drivers. The main differences between the Fidelio X2HRs and the X2s is that the X2HRs have an enlarged headband for an improved range of fit. And the headband also balances the weight of the headphones very well. They also have improved memory foam ear cushions that have a velour material to help dissipate heat and pressure. So this helps so your ears don't get all sweaty and you can enjoy them for long listening sessions. Okay, so now let's take a closer look at the X2HRs and talk about their build quality. So they have a very nice headband that distributes the weight evenly and doesn't leave any hot spots on your head. The memory foam ear pads with the velour material feel like pillows on your head. The single 3.5mm on the left ear cup makes it perfect for converting these into a gaming headset with the V-Moda BoomPro gaming mic. It's as simple as attaching it to the audio connection. And now you just make these into an audiophile gaming headset. So the V-Moda BoomPro gaming mic is only $30 and it's a great addition to these headphones. So these headphones have an over-the-ear open back design, but sound leakage is not too bad. It's definitely a lot less than the monoprice M1060 open back headphones. The Fidelio X2HRs have a relatively low impedance of 30 ohms and a sensitivity of 100 dB at 1 milliwatt. So you can definitely use these with your smartphone and it will work just fine. However, I definitely recommend using these headphones with a headphone amp as it will improve the sound and make it more impactful. So I would say that the sound signature of these headphones are neutral with a bit of warmth to them. These headphones definitely have a bump in the mid bass. Treble can sometimes be a bit harsh with certain types of music, especially with gaming. In games such as Fortnite, gunfire may be just a bit too harsh for some people. So I did find that the Fidelio X2HRs are lacking in the sub bass area. So if you're looking for that in a headphone, then these headphones are not for you. So if I were to pick what I like best about these headphones, I would say that the mids of these headphones are what I like best. String instruments in particular, such as guitars, sound very good on these headphones. I found that both male and female vocals are very good with these headphones. Imaging is very good and accurate, and I would say is one of the best features of these headphones. Soundstage, on the other hand, can vary depending on how well these fit on you, as well as the clamping force and the distance between your ears and the driver. I will talk about this more in a bit, so make sure to stay till the end of this video. So these headphones are probably the best headphones I've ever used for gaming. The imaging on these is very good and accurate. For example, when playing Fortnite, I can not only tell which direction the gunfire is coming from, but also how far away the person firing is from me. Oftentimes while playing, I can clearly hear gunfire and where it's coming from, and I'm able to give my team a heads up of where that gunfire is, and that has become invaluable in my gameplay. In fact, my gameplay in Fortnite has improved so much dramatically since I started using the Philips Fidelio X2HRs that I actually got not one but 2 victory royales in Fortnite recently. With the help of the V-Moda BoomPro gaming mic, I was able to convert these headphones into an audiophile gaming headset. The addition of the mic really helped with squad gameplay, and everybody that I talked to using the mic said that it sounded very good and clear. Now let me quickly go over the pros and cons of these headphones. They are very comfortable and the headband distributes the weight very well. The ear pads feel like pillows on your head. So yeah, you can definitely wear these for long listening or gaming sessions. So another great thing is that the ear pads are easily removable, as you can see here. They just clip on. So if your ear pads wear out or if you want to try totally different ear pads, you can replace them yourself easily. So I'm going to mention it again, these are great for gaming with the addition of the V-Moda BoomPro gaming mic. And the other pro is that the mids in general are very enjoyable. So now to the cons of these headphones. I have an issue where the driver is too far away from your ears. This, however, was not really an issue when I use them for gaming. I noticed it mostly when listening to music. So there are many things that contribute to this with these headphones. So first of all, while there is some clamping force, there's just not enough to push the drivers as close to your ears as possible. The second problem is that ear pads are just too thick. Although they're very comfortable, they end up separating your ears even more from the drivers. The third problem is that the drivers inside are angled, placing the back portion of the driver further away from your ears. So because the drivers end up being too far away from your ears, you get both a loss of power and fidelity. As I listened to the music, I tried pushing the ear cups in towards my ears and it actually sounded so much better when I did that. The sound just improved dramatically. I wish there was a way to adjust these headphones to apply that pressure needed to get the drivers closer to your ears, but there just isn't with these headphones. So in conclusion, the Philips Fidelio X2HRs are probably some of the best headphones you can get for gaming. And I recommend spending the extra $30 to get the V-Moda BoomPro gaming mic to use with these headphones, and I will link them down in the description below. However, if your main use for these headphones is going to be for music listening, I can recommend these due to the issues I mentioned previously. In turn, if you'll be using these headphones primarily for gaming with the occasional casual music listening, then they should work just fine for you. So thank you for joining me in this review, and until next time.